Sight is a precious gift given to us by God. Our eyes enables us to see the wonders of the world, the rising sun, beautiful landscapes, God's creations, and wonderful human creations are all experienced and relished through our eyes. So, with our small eyes, we can see the beautiful world surrounding us. You must be aware of the shape of a human eye. It has a ball-like structure which seems spherical in shape. But it is not exactly spherical. It has some bulge-out surface on its front part. Do you know what this part is known as? This part is known as cornea. It is a thin membrane which forms the transparent bulge on the front surface of the eyeball. Light enters the crystal transparency of the cornea. There is something behind the cornea. Can you tell what it is? Okay, do one thing. Stand in front of a mirror and look into your eyes. You will notice a dark circular part with a dark hole at its center. Do you know what this part is called? This is iris. Iris is a dark-colored muscular diaphragm having small circular opening in the middle known as pupil. You must have experienced a situation when you have to widen your eyes to see things clearly in a dark room. And also, you contract your eyes when you come out from a dark room to bright light. Can you think of some reason for this? The pupil helps to do so. It controls the amount of light entering our eyes. But how does the pupil do so? Actually, the iris controls the size of the pupil and the pupil regulates and controls the amount of light entering the eye. Now what's there in eyes that helps to make the image of an object that is seen by eyes? It is a lens. There is a crystalline lens in our eyes, which is convex in shape and is made up of layers of a fibrous material. The lens has the ability to change its shape. Now you might be thinking how this lens is fixed in a human eye. There are muscles known as ciliary muscles which help the lens to remain fixed at its position. These muscles help in changing the curvature and focal length of the eye lens. When light rays from an object pass through this crystalline lens, the lens converges all the light rays on the inner surface of the eye. This inner surface of the eye, which is made up of delicate membrane having light-sensitive cells, is known as retina. Retina acts as a screen on which the real, inverted image of the object is formed. Now, can you tell that if the image formed on the retina is inverted, then how do we see the objects exactly as they are? Yes, it's our brain which helps us to do so. The light-sensitive cells of retina get activated when light falls on them, and they generate electrical signals upon illumination. These signals are then sent to the brain via optic nerves. Then, the brain interprets these signals and finally processes the information so that we can perceive the objects as they are.